Are you still stuck holding your phone for video calls? Make video calls the easy way, right on your TV. Ready to give it a try? Just follow along. First, let's connect the USB camera to the TV. Then, set the camera on top of your TV. On the back of your TV, plug the camera into the USB port. All good? Now, do you see the pop-up at the top right? From there, select View. Then select Video Call, and the Google Duo app will launch automatically. Next, a guide will pop up on the sign-in screen. See it? Follow the guide and log in with your smartphone. Make sure your phone and TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. See people you've recently connected with. Choose who you want to call, then select Video Call to start. Oh, here comes a group call. Let's switch over to the big screen. Just connect like this with Tap View. It's easy. You can even watch other content during your video call with Multi-View and adjust the audio levels for each video. And when you want to end the call, just select the End Call button. It's easier than ever to enjoy video calls on the big screen.